Good afternoon, Millville family. I'm Dr. Mazzoni, Superintendent of Schools. I'm reaching out today to share my gratitude for the incredible teamwork and resilience displayed by our entire school community this past Wednesday. As many of you know, an unexpected plumbing issue at Holly Heights Elementary School required us to make a quick decision to relocate all students and staff to Millville High School for the remainder of the day. This shift created a ripple effect, impacting our afternoon bus schedules for the majority of our schools across the district. Managing a sudden change in logistics is no small feat, and I want to extend a special thank you to the team at Shepherd Bus and all of our dedicated district bus drivers. Because of their expert coordination and quick thinking, we were able to navigate these significant schedule shifts smoothly. So thank you. I also want to send a heartfelt thank you to the staff at every one of our school buildings. When our bus rounds were set back by approximately 30 minutes, you didn't miss a beat. You stepped in to supervise our bus riders, keeping everyone safe, engaged, and ready to board the moment the buses arrived. So thank you to all of our staff. And especially to our Holly Heights staff, you transitioned an entire school building in record time with professionalism and a primary focus on student safety. Your poise under pressure was truly remarkable. Also to Amanda DeVita and the Latchkey and Club 21 staff at Holly Heights, thank you for maintaining your after-school programs in a new and unexpected space. And finally, want to shout out the entire staff and students of Millville High School for being so accommodating and welcoming to the Holly Heights Hawks in their time of need. To our students, you handled a change of scenery and the wait times with such maturity and positivity. You truly made us proud. And to our families, thank you. We know that changes to bus schedules and school locations can be stressful. Your patience and flexibility were the keys in making this transition successful. Because of your support, we were able to make these necessary adjustments without negatively impacting the end of the school day. In closing, when challenges arise, the strength of a community is measured by how well people work together. And on Wednesday, Millville showed exactly what we're made of. Thank you for your continued partnership and for everything you do for our students. Go Bolts!